Do you know that every 39 seconds there is a new cyber attack happening somewhere in world? And guess what? There's a massive global shortage of skilled professionals to stop them. That is where you come in. Welcome to Cyber Hero, the place where future defenders of the digital world meet. Today we are diving deep into the best cybersecurity careers and certifications that can transform your passions for tech into a high-paying, high-impact job. Whether you are just starting out or ready into specialize, this video is the ultimate guide. Let's shoot off. So why waiting? First we will say here. This will be the chapter 6 of the continuing series. So let's see what we are going to say here. Let me zoom in for 26 and focus mode. Now, first, cybersecurity is all about protecting systems, that networks and digital form or digital attacks. Think of it digital welfare, but this would ensure everything. Let's see here, entry level careers in cybersecurity. Entry level. What are the entry level careers in cybersecurity? So the first one is security analyst. Security analyst. What they do? Monitor network traffic. What they work? Network traffic. They monitor network traffic, analyze alert, and investigate security incidents and creep threats adware. So this is work of security analysts. What should be skills here? Skills needed. Skills needed. Short form needed. Networking fundamentals. Networking fundamentals. Security information. Event management and SIEM. And understanding of firewalls, IDVs, VPNs, etc. IDL, firewalls, so on. So why to start? What are the certifications to start here? The certification name is CompTIA CompTIA Security Pulse. Perfect entry level certification. Another one is SAM Competent Network for network basing. Then another one comes from Microsoft Security Fundamentals. How to apply? Look at the roles like associate analyst or junior security analyst on the job board, internship in IT or tech support and great entry points. Then we will see another one. This was the security analyst, how to apply, what they do. Then we will see penetration tester. Penetration tester. What they do? Legally hack into system to find vulnerabilities before bad actors do. Vulnerability. Before bad actors do. Hackers do. Strong knowledge of OS, network and security. OS knowledge, network knowledge, Python, bash scripting, strong knowledge of this. Tools like, should most like tools, Metasploit, Burp Suite, Wireshark. In upcoming videos, I will make separate video on these tools, Metasploit, Burp Suite, Wireshark. And within few days or few weeks, we'll start here Python, bash scripting. In upcoming videos, we will discuss all of this, and I will make a video on this penetration testing. Then what are the certificates here? CH, Certified Ethical Hacker. Then same this CompTIA Pen Test Pulse. What is another certificate? Then OSCP, Offensive Security Certificate Professional. So this was about penetration. How to apply this? Start by building home lab, practice on platform like Try Hack Me or Hack the Box, and showcasing your projects on GitHub or LinkedIn. This is how you can become penetration tester. Then we'll go on another that's called incident responder. Incident responder. Incident responder. What they do when a cyber attack happens, they are the fighters. They contain, analyze, and recover from breaches. They are actually defenders. You can tell in short word, defenders. So, what are the secrets needed for it? Log analysis, malware analysis. Short form here using malware and knowledge of forensic tools. Understand the framework just like Metri, ATT, and CK. This is the framework. You should know that how they work. These are the skills needed. What are the certification here? GIAC, certified incident handler. Then same from company, then CISSP Pulse. So how to apply? Start in SOC, Security Operations Center. Gain experience handling alerts and grow from there. Simple. Now go for another. Let's look another one. Cybersecurity and engineer. Cybersecurity engineer. They design and implement secure systems, build a defense mechanism, and manage encryptions. What are the skills needed for them? Deep understanding of security architecture, networking, cloud, scripting automation. In my description there will be a Telegram link. You can follow me there and I will provide notes there about this content. No worries. Then what are the certification needed? That same company, then CISSP Pulse, then CCSP. What CCSP stands for? Certified Cloud Security Professional, or CISSP, Certified Information System Security Professional. How to apply? You will need 3 to 5 years of experience in security or IT engineering. Target company hiring for security engineers or DevOps engineers. I hope this is clear now. Then we will go for another. Digital forensic expert. What they do? They investigate cyber crimes, recovering data, tracking hackers, and analyzing digital evidence. What are the skills here needed? There's disk imaging, data recovery, chain of custody procedure, tools like ENCase, FTK, AutoSpy. So these 3 tools he should be master. So this was the about it. What are the certifications? I forget here. Certification he can get like JCFA. The JCFA certified forensic analyst, or CJFI, another one, computer hacking forensic investigator. Then what is this was about this digital forensic expert. Then cloud security specialist. Same. What are the certificates here? AWS certificate security, Microsoft CCSP. These were the certificates for security and cloud security specialist. Skills needed here: cloud architecture, how the cloud machines work, so on. Then another one is CISSP, Chief Information Security Officer. What they do actually? Lead the entire cybersecurity strategy of an organization, policy, risk management, compliance, and leadership. What are skills here needed? Business acumen, risk management, then leadership, communication. Here communication is must. Then what are the certificates here? CISSP, CISM, CISSO, Certified Chief Information Security Officer, Cisco. CISO, sorry, what I wrote, Cisco, CISO, Chief Information CISO. So this was all about this. What are the security certifications and careers? Then cybersecurity is just not a career. It's calling every day whether you are protecting people, data, and the digital people in future. So which path you are going to take, ethical hacker and maybe your CISO? Tell me in the comment below. So this was all about this video. Hope you guys like this. Thank you. Take care. See you in next video.